Hello, welcome to my Phase 3 project for Flatiron School Baby Sleep App Counting Z's. This app allows parents to create profiles, add babies, and manage sleep schedules for their babies. Many babies, up to 15, can be added to one parent or caretaker, and many schedules can be added to one baby's profile, enabling the app to be used in a professional setting such as a school or a daycare. Let's get started with creating a parent. So we're going to go down here. Enter my name and email, password, and now I have an ID and my name has been added successfully. So after that, let's see if I have any babies saved. My ID is 56 and I have no babies. So we need to create a baby. Create babies. My ID again, which is 56. Enter the amount of babies I want. Let's do 3 babies. And 3 babies have been added. Let's check. Okay, so we might have 5 babies. Okay, so let's list out those babies this time. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 babies have been added to parent Alexis because we ended up adding 2 here and then 3 here. So after we do that, let's see what the baby's sleep schedule is. So let's choose Lauren. She's the most recent here, and her ID is 950. So we want to list sleep schedule. So list sleep schedules. Her ID again was 950. And she has no schedule. So we need to create sleep schedules. So we're going to go here. And her ID again, 950. And sleep start. And the time she went to sleep, 1:30. And again with the date. And the time she woke up will be 12:45. So now she has one schedule. Let's create one more. Her ID, her start time, just to make it easier to tell apart. We're going to do 950. And then she woke up at 4:22. Okay, now we have two schedules, so we're going to list out those schedules again for her. And she has 2 schedules created. But let's say we want to update one of the schedules. So we're going to go back up here and update sleep schedule. Enter her ID. Enter the schedule ID, which is 2712. And the new time, we're going to do 2023 07 6. And let's say the old time was 9:50. So let's say the new time is 5:45. And the date again. And let's say she got up at 1. Okay, and now it says that it's been updated. So let's list it out one more time just to make sure. And it has been updated. 2712 now says that she got up at 5:45. I'm sorry, she went to sleep at 5:45 and woke up at 1. So after that, how about we delete one of the schedules? Delete schedule, delete sleep schedule here. Her ID. The sleep schedule we want to delete, let's delete 2711. And then we're going to list again, and there should only be one schedule here. 2712 should be the only one left for 9:50. 2712. It's only one schedule left here. And that is the end. I hope you enjoyed my baby sleep app, Counting Z's. Thank you.